Have him stand up.
Stand up.
You gotta get it a little closer.
Yeah, closer to the dog.
Stand up.
Wait, hold on. Get it a little closer so he stands up. Okay. No, don't shh, guys. So give it to him. Just give it to him. Don't drop it, honey. Don't drop it yet, Isaac. Come here. Bring it over here. Go over there. Don't run around. Just gently walk up and then see if he stands up, okay? Wait till he stands up. Go down and then up. There you go. Oh, he turned around. Oh, good job.
Can I try that?
Did you like that, Isaac?
Can I try that?
Did you like it? Well, look into the camera. Isaac, did you like it?
Yes.
Thomas, did you like that?
Yep. Can I try it again? I missed. I promise I won't drop it.
Okay, ready? Not too high though, Isaac. A little bit lower. So hold on, so I could see the dog jump up. There we go. Now make him turn around. Go like this. Go like this.
Why didn't it turn around?
Don't stop dropping it, Thomas. Go like this, Isaac. Go like that and see if. Wait until he's done.
Stand up.
Go down and then a little lower and then up. Oh, there we go. There we go.
It was